So today we are reviewing color wheel, and so our name goes on top. So hopefully you have already signed your name and your class code. But this is to review all our primary and secondary colors. So primary colors, we're gonna fill it here in the table. Secondary colors will be filled out here. We always start with yellow on top in the solid triangle. That's where we're gonna put our sun because sun is always the highest on top. So let's start with yellow. And what other two colors are primary colors? Let's review them. Yes, red and blue. So put them on the base of that triangle or pyramid here that we have in our color wheel. So I'm gonna put red here. Oh, I'm gonna actually go ahead and put the red here so that it's similar to You Simple here by Skylar, a fourth grader, who did an amazing job. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my red. Don't forget, we're gonna start with the red and blue on the solid triangle. So that's the solid one, okay? So I'm doing my red and blue. And now that we have the basic primary colors, we are going to mix them. So when I mix the blue and the yellow, my result will be green. So my green goes there. You can also try it by mixing the yellow and blue, or you can just take your green and fill out your green color. Okay, what color do we, and that's a secondary. So this triangle is the secondary triangle. So what colors do we get when we mix red and yellow? We will make orange, thank you. Perfect. What color? And finally, last one, when we mix red and blue, we will get mixing red and blue, we will get purple. Perfect. This is our very basic one. The one we do with first grade and second grade, and now it's gonna get a little more complicated. Now we're gonna mix the colors that are adjacent to each other. So these are called tertiary colors. So we're gonna mix tertiary colors. And you can make a little heart or oval or star. I'm gonna make heart. And I wanna mix my tertiary colors, yellow and green. So let's see what I get. I'll get some yellow and I'm gonna put some green. And it's gonna make me really nice light yellow green color, sort of like a key lime pie almost, like really bright, nice spring yellow, bright spring yellow, right? Okay, that's called tertiary color. So tertiary color, yellow, green. How about if we go to yellow and orange now? And I know I'm going fast. You can pause the video at home and slow it down. I'm going to do my heart here. And I'm going to mix my yellow and orange. And it should make us a nice little bright yellow orange. So some yellow, very little orange, so it doesn't overpower it. Blend it. You can use crayons as well. And you're gonna get a nice bright yellow orange. Okay, let's do the next one. Orange and red, our tertiary colors. And you can make a circle, heart, star, whatever shape you like. I'm making a heart. So orange and a little bit of red will make us orange red. Sort of like a coral color, really pretty orange red. I love that color. Coral. is that color a lot. And now we're gonna mix red and purple, and that should give us red purple, tertiary color red purple. And purple and red will give us a nice red and purple. Actually, it's called red violet technically. It's a tertiary color. Red violet. And we're almost done here, so we are going to do purple and blue. And that should give us blue violet. Blue and purple makes blue violet. It's actually blue and violet makes blue violet, but you can use purple too, just fine. Okay, so that is, and one last combination is gonna be blue-green. So we're gonna mix our green and our blue. We're doing an amazing job. If heart is too hard for you to draw, why don't you make a circle? It doesn't have to be perfect if you don't know how to do heart yet, or just wanted to have it nice and neat looking with a circle, that's fine. This is blue green color, sort of like a turquoise almost. It should come out as turquoise looking. So to review, primary colors are red. The main triangle here is red, yellow, and blue. And to review, upside down triangle, secondary colors are green, orange, and purple or violet. All right, when you're done with this, you can also do your rainbow order. What is the rainbow order? Let's start with red. What is after red and yellow in rainbow order? What is it? After red is? Orange. After orange is? Yellow. After yellow is? Yep. Perfect. Green. After green is? Blue. And after blue is? It's actually indigo and violet. So indigo is like a dark blue, but we have only one space, so we'll just go with purple. But indigo and violet is the full rainbow. And when you're done with that, you can turn to page 2, and we're going to actually work on our warm colors and cool colors. Our warm colors and cool colors. Hot sun, there's nothing warmer, right? Nice warm sun, sunny day. We've got a sunny yellow. What is other warm color? Hot red fire is gonna be our, and you can combine these. You can do a red around and orange in the middle if you like. So red is nice hot fire color. Orange like a hot chili pepper, orange pepper. Maybe I'll give him yellow and orange, just so you see you can combine these warm colors. And last one, let's make him orange, like an orange warm sunset. Okay, and let's add some yellow to him. What are our cool colors? All right, we've got cool ocean. When our feet are burning from the hot sand, what happens? We have to run to the water and cool them down. Nice cool ocean or river. What about on a hot day under the sun? Hot yellow sun. We hide in a forest or under a tree because it's such a cool color and cool forest. So green is a cool color. Lastly, shadows often at night when the sun goes down look purple. So purple will be our awesome cool color. Oh, and these are complementary. So let's review. What are complementary colors? On the opposite of the color wheel. So yellow and purple, red and green, orange and blue. So they make each other pop. So if I make oops, it will be orange words and blue around to make it pop. See how the colors make each other pop? That's because they are opposite on the color wheel. Finally, we have the orange and blue. See how it pops? Also, ups. What? Pow, pop. What is that in ELA? What do we know that as? It's called onomatopoeia, right? That means sound words. These are sound words, like in comic books. Words that make sounds. Okay, so let's do red and green. Let's see how they pop each other. So I'm gonna do red around, green around and red words. And last combination, but not the least, we're gonna do pow, and it's gonna pop with the purple. And if I'm going too fast, you can always slow it down or pause the video when you're reviewing your complementary colors on the opposite side of the color wheel. Okay, and that's all that we have for today. And now is your turn, and see you in our next video.